Come test drive the 2019 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.